So another typical Mr. Black video. We're going to film in reverse. In other words, I'm doing the intro to this video after everything's all said and done. That way, if nobody gives a crap about tractors or anything, they don't have to watch the rest of it. Hell, nobody has to watch any of it. If you'll notice, I don't ask anybody to watch my videos because I really don't care. But anyways, after 35 years, we finally got our driveway replaced. And many of my neighbors are already affectionately calling it the Helipad. Some of you may or may not know that I work on helicopters for a living and have for basically my whole entire adult life. So it is, we could easily land one of our helicopters in here. So we went 3 lanes wide all the way out to the road, which is really nice because now we're, oh geez, it's like almost 30 feet by 52 feet. So the guys that did this, I'm very happy with the job that they did. We had them stop short over here at the stoop, mostly due to expense. And obviously I will pressure wash that panel there and it will look pretty close to the bright white of the new concrete. But we can redo that anytime. That's why I wasn't really too worried about that. I might even do like a wood entryway there. Maybe something wood that goes all the way across over to the garage wall. But that's for another day. We just needed to get our driveway done. Some of you may have noticed in some of my other videos, our old driveway was completely hammered. It was to the point of where it was getting dangerous. It was turning itself back into gravel every day. So I still need to backfill the grass and still need to put 2 sprinkler heads back in. That's all easy stuff. It's about 4.5 inches thick, except for the apron. The apron is 6 inches, which I guess is pretty standard. The other thing you may notice is the massive amounts of control cuts. We went from, I think, 40 feet of control cuts to 280 feet of control cuts. So hopefully that'll minimize the cracking. I need to get a metal lid for the water cover. I think I'm actually just going to make one. Steel lids are really expensive, so I think I'm just going to fabricate something that I could easily park a truck on. All of our gates are getting redone next week, so get rid of all this old rotten boards and stuff. Changed that post yesterday. And then we're going to hopefully widen this out about 4 inches or so, maybe even 6 inches, which will be really nice. Make it easier to get our trailer in the back. So anyways, that's probably enough rambling. Hope you enjoyed this video about our new helipad. If you have any questions, you fire them away. Y'all know where to put them. Oh, and I forgot to say that if you do want to stick around, if you're really bored, cooped up in your house for the beer virus, I'm going to put some video of the demo and the excavation process and forming and all that stuff. If you're into concrete stuff, it's kind of interesting work. It's definitely a skilled art. Every time I try and film something, Dexter decides to squeak toys. Really, dog? Now he's talking back.